Asbestos-ceramic refers to types of pottery manufactured with asbestos and clay with adiabatic behaviour in Finland, Karelia and northern Scandinavia. A further vessel type does not contain any asbestos, but it has insulating properties and is therefore sometimes included under asbestos-ceramic. The most probable origin of this style of ware is the shores of Lake Saimaa in Finland, which is the only place for rich or easily accessible natural deposits of asbestos in its area of distribution. Finds from inland Finland of the oldest. In Finland, real asbestos ware is known from California 3900–2800 BC to California 1800 to 1500 BC. In northern Scandinavia, asbestos ware appears apparently from California 1500 BC to California 500 BC. Asbestos ware is usually classified under comb ceramic ware. For the times of the earliest comb ware in Finland, asbestos was mixed with clay as an adhesive. At some point, people started to make use of the characteristics of asbestos. Its long fibers allowed large vessels with thin walls, which made them lighter, without compromising durability. Some of the vessels had 6 mm thick walls with a diameter of around 50 cm. The ware is divided into the following styles: early asbestos ware, put comb ware with asbestos canisari ware. Main styles: polya ware, kirikki ware, late asbestos ware, jisma ware. There are two variants of asbestos pottery depending on its asbestos amount. Asbestos pottery had an asbestos amount of 50 to 60%. It is usually found along evidence suggesting metalwork, i.e. crucibles, molds, slag, fused clay, artifacts of bronze and copper and stone sledgehammers. There are a few finds of pure copper artifacts among asbestos ceramic finds. These include a bracelet and a hatchet and some pieces of copper. Asbestos ceramic can also have been used as a heat storage. The vessel patterns are identical to the Neolithic and Bronze Age Jomon culture in Japan. The most common patterns, however, are the comb and pit decorations typical of northeastern Europe at the time. The asbestos ware refers to vessels containing 90% asbestos and 10% clay and can resist heat up to 900 to 1000 degrees Celsius. The clay made the shaping of vessel possible, but the high amount of asbestos does not classify it as pottery in formal sense. It is believed that the asbestos ware was used in iron production such as spearheads, arrowheads and artifacts. The vessel is also drilled with many holes. The fact that the reduction of iron ore with abundant carbon generates large amount of carbon monoxide may suggest that the drilled holes were used to increase the influx of air required for proper glowing process. Iron ore is abundant in Lake C. G. in Finland. Lastly, the hair temperature pottery refers to ware made of fine, sorted clay tempered with about 30% finely cut hair and chamot with similar shape, size, surface treatment as the asbestos pottery. It does not generally contain asbestos, but some samples have small traces. Hair, when used as ceramic temper, leaves thin pores in the ware after firing. Its usage is unknown, but its adiabatic capacity suggests some kind of insulating usage. The analysis made by University of Lund Department of Quaternary Geology on asbestos pottery was quite unexpected, since this part of northern Europe, usually considered to be a step behind the rest of Europe, actually introduced iron production in the pre-Roman Iron Age. The style seems to disappear around 200 AD in Finland but continues in Scandinavia. The disappearance is thought to be related to the transition to a semi-nomadic reindeer husbandry lifestyle.